Hello everybody, I have something to show you. This comes from my local Michael's store. Yep, Michael's has a line of diamond paintings that come in this red box. I've never seen them before. My good friend, Kathleen Krafts, hi Kathy, she sent me a picture and she was like, look at this, look what I just saw at Michael's. And sure enough, I went to Michael's and they have them. Now, I have seen some people post pictures of these at Michael's and they had different paintings than I saw at my Michael's. So, yeah, apparently it depends on which Michael's you go to, what they have. I don't know. But I picked up a couple. These were $10 a piece. Okay, $10 a piece. I thought, why not? Let's pick up a couple and let's see what we get. Now, these two are both full drill. Okay, there were some that were partial drills. These are both full. So I'll show you the picture of this one. On the back, it shows you the design area is over here and the diamond area is over here, and they're exactly the same. So that means the whole thing, I know it's blurry. Hang on. It was used to focusing on the counter. All right. So the whole thing is drilled. The design area and the diamond area are the same. Now, if this only showed the barn and the fence, it would be a partial and the background would not be diamond painted. But it's full drill. Like it says $14.99 on the box, but they were on sale. They were $9.99, and it's from Art Minds. Art Minds Diamond Art Kit. I don't know what that says. Red Barn. Rouge. Red. Red. Barn. Barn red. I don't know. Anyhow, let's look at it and see what we get. The box has nothing else in it. Has instructions on the back how to diamond paint. You got a legend over here. It's got the picture on the front. All right, one kit. Okay, one kit. Everything's in this bag, all packaged up nice and neat in here. So let's get into it and let's see what we got. How interesting, right? How interesting. All right, so it's poured glue, clearly, right? And it's, okay, it's, hello, it's been a while. Where have you been, my friends? I haven't had a little pull tabby thing in a while. It is a canvas that's like Diamond Dots and Dreamer Designs. It's that nylon-y feeling canvas. Look, it's got a serged edge, or scalloped edge. It's not serged, it's just scalloped. Different scalloping than I've seen before. Look at how nicely it's laying flat for us. Look at that. Well, until I let it go. Okay, it's poured glue. Let's just roll it backwards and make it lay flat for us. It's not going to take much. Yeah, it is that nylon type canvas. So I don't know. I often wonder, who makes these things? Do the same places make all of them? You know, I think maybe that may be the case. Anyhow, I don't know. Directions, how to diamond paint. Oh, same thing on both sides, but in two different languages. Okay, 2 languages. Here's what our drills look like. All right. Nice. Okay. Let's look at the toolkit. Let's look at the toolkit first. What do we get in a toolkit with this company? Well, we get a pot of wax, peel off de-sticker, right? Or something. Peel off. I don't know what that says. A boat, a squishy, a clear pen, and baggies. Pretty basic kit. It works. Okay? It works. All right. Let's see what we get. Here it is. What do you think? What do you think? It looks nice. Lots of pinkish colors and blues in the snow down here. Has a legend on both sides. There's no picture, no like thumbnail picture, but it has 25 colors. I don't see any DMC codes. That's interesting. There's no codes over here. Look, here's our legend. Just our number on the canvas here and our symbol. No other codes. Here's the drill field. There's no training wheels. I hate that word. Why did I just say that? Guide circles. Like guide circles. But there aren't any of those. They're just they're printed in a little colored circle, but want to see a different spot? Pretty clear. That's what they look like. All right. So I don't know. I don't know who makes them. I know nothing about it. Ooh, it's got a really thick plastic cover. I like that. That will not be tearing on you. Nice glue. Look, it's got a line all the way around, just in case you wanted to cut it or something. I don't know. If you cut it right on that line, you'd have a little white border all the way around. Kind of be like a little mat, right? What do you think of the picture? I mean, of course, we can't tell how it's going to turn out till we put drills on it, but it doesn't look bad, does it? I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's look at these drills. See what we think about the drills. I'm going to get them open. They had quite an assortment of pictures. They were on an end cap at my store, and it was the whole end cap was covered with these. So here's the drills. I mean, they look, you know, they look good. They look like nice round drills. Okay. I have no complaints about that at this point. Look at, there's that pretty blue. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. And there's our pinks. Like I said, I think the picture is going to be pinks and blues, really. Okay, we're all twisted here. Oh, 3 bags of the mint, that mint color. And then, ooh, 4 bags of white. So this off-white, it's not pure white, it's off-white. There's nothing on the bags to indicate a DMC code or anything. So, I mean, if that bothers you, you know, well, it doesn't bother me. Here's our reds for our barn. Oh, we got a little purple. Looks like 154 purple. You could probably match them up if you wanted to, you know what I mean? But I'm not too concerned about it. They're I mean, a nice little kit for $10. Okay, you're gonna be in my way over here. We're gonna roll you up. Here, hide over there. Stay over there. Stay. All right, you want to see the other one I got? I know you do. Why get one when they're $10? You never know what I'll do with these. Figure out how to open it, first of all. Here it is. These little sticky things. So this is, it's tearing. It's tearing. Tear it up. Oh yeah, I'm really tearing it up now. So look, it doesn't look much different than the other one, right? It looks all pink and blue. It's just the symbols. It's just the symbols. The symbols are reds and blues. So, okay, I'm just going to roll this one backwards to start with. This one has 31 colors. Again, this one is a full drill. The whole thing is drilled. Here's our paper again. Same toolkit. Here's our drills. Here's our colors. All right, you ready? Okay, you ready? Cute, right? Cute. It's just a gnome. He's underneath the Christmas tree. I don't know what all this is over here. I don't know what that's supposed to be even. I think it's simply just background. A lot of background that's just, I don't know, unnecessary. There should have been something over there, I think. But the gnome was too cute underneath the Christmas tree. That's what he looks like. And again, on the back, it shows you, oh, we're going to get like little snowflakes in here. Oh, yeah, we are. See? Little snowflakes. Okay. And then this is going to be a color, one color, and then a darker color around it. That's what it looks like. Anyhow, cute, right? Cute. You know, had to try them, right? Had to try them. So head to your Michaels and see what they have. You might have different pictures than I do. Because like I said, I've seen somebody post probably in a Facebook group somewhere. And they had a different selection. They had some of the same, like I think I saw these, but they might have had something different. I know there's a snowman. I saw somebody post there was a snowman. We have 2 Michaels around here. I've toyed with the idea of going to the other Michaels and see what they have. Or even look on the website. I have not looked on the website. They might be there. Here's just some of the colors. some purples in this one, which I like. Reds. We get a lot of that mint again. Ooh, that one's actually darker than the other one, I think. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. Lots of blues here. What else? Peachy reds. Green colors. Off-white. What is this? This is what the other one had. The other one had this off-white mint kind. This is totally different, but yeah. And then this is your off-white. All right. It's pretty though. Very pretty. Well, what do you think? You know, what do you think? This would be great for somebody who's wanting to try out diamond painting for the first time. These are a nice size. There's no like measurements. Is there measurements? No, there's no measurements on this or anything. No size measurements. Let's see, what does the box say it is? No size, I just realized. Oh, they're 40 by 50s. 40.6 by 50.8. That'll fit in a 16 by 20 frame. Boom, you're framed, you're ready to go. That's what's nice about this. That's cool. So great starter kit. I mean, not even just starter. I mean, if you like the picture, do it. But they'd be good for somebody who's starting out and easy to frame. Just pop that thing right in a frame and you're good to go, right? So check out your Michaels and see if they have some. Like I said, they were just on an end cap all by themselves. Pretty cute. Maybe they're just here for the holidays. Who knows? Check them out. All right, that's it, guys. That's what I had. That's what I got from Michaels. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you around soon. Hit the like button, subscribe, all those fun things that you guys do, and I'll be talking with you really soon. Bye, everybody.